Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how to share your location with someone on your iPhone. It's easier than you think, so let's get right into it. First, we need to enable the feature that allows location sharing. Open the Settings application on your iPhone. Then, tap on your name at the very top. This will take you to your Apple account settings. Next, find and select Find My. Inside the Find My settings, simply toggle on Share My Location. Make sure it's green. Now that we've enabled sharing, let's actually share our location with someone. Open the Contacts application on your iPhone. Then, find the contact you want to share your location with. If the person isn't in your contacts yet, tap the plus button in the top right corner to add them. Once you've found the contact, select them, and scroll all the way to the bottom of their contact card. You should see an option that says, Share My Location. Tap on that. You'll then get a few options for how long you want to share your location, indefinitely, until the end of the day, or for 1 hour. For this example, I'm going to choose Share for 1 hour. And that's it. You're now successfully sharing your location with that person. Now, what if you want to manually stop sharing your location before the chosen time is up? The easiest way should be from the contact card, but sometimes it doesn't appear there, as you can see here. So we'll do it through the Settings or Find My app. Open the Settings application again, tap on your name at the top, and go back into Find My. You should now see a list of contacts below that you are sharing your location with. Select the contact you want to stop sharing with, scroll to the bottom, and tap Stop Sharing My Location. And that's it. You've successfully stopped sharing your location with that contact.
Pretty straightforward, right?
So if this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Thanks for watching Rome Tech.